Let's be real for a second. Whether you are a content creator, a songwriter, or just someone marketing a brand, the biggest headache isn't the idea, it's the execution. Specifically for audio, you either have to pay expensive licensing fees for stock music, or you have to deal with copyright strikes. But the tool I'm showing you today basically solves that problem instantly. It's called Insmelo. It's an AI-powered music generator that takes lyrics, text descriptions, or even images and turns them into full studio-quality songs. And the best part? You can use this for your YouTube videos, your ads, or your streaming background music without worrying about legal trouble. I've left a direct link to the tool in the description box below, so you can access it and follow along. Okay, so here we are, in the dashboard. As you can see, the interface is incredibly simple and clean. We have a big prompt box right here in the middle, and on the left sidebar, you have your main tools: lyrics to song, text to song, image to music, and a lyrics generator. We're going to start with the most powerful feature, lyrics to song. This is perfect if you have the words for your song written down, but you don't know how to play an instrument, or if you just want to hear how your lyrics sound in a different style. So, I'm clicking on Lyrics to Song. You'll notice the interface guides us through a step-by-step process. In the text box, I'm going to paste some lyrics I have for an acoustic folk country song. So, I've got a song here about driving home on a dusty road. I've marked my verses and my chorus, just like you do tags in Suno. This tells the AI exactly how to structure the melody. And now we can select the music model. Let's go with the latest V5.0, which promises us natural emotion and dynamic range. I will name our song as Dust Roads, and here we can choose the style of our song. I'm going to type folk country acoustic and hit generate. It usually takes just a moment, and here we are. Let's listen to what it came up with.
Old tires humming on the gravel line, sun sinking low behind the Georgia pine. Coffee cup is rattling, stone cold empty now. Got a little road dust settling on my brow. Counted every mile marker since the break of day, washing all the city noise away. Oh, take me back where the river bends, where the blacktop stops and the dirt road begins. I've been chasing shadows under neon skies, but I found my way home in the sunrise. Yeah, I found my way home.
Okay, that sounds great. We have a little instrumental intro setting the vibe before jumping into the lyrics. The guitar picking pattern, the emotion in the voice, it has understood our tags perfectly. Now let's switch gears. Let's say you aren't a songwriter. Let's say you're a YouTuber or a streamer, and you just need an intro track or background music that sets a vibe. For this, we go to the sidebar and click Text to Song. This mode is all about the description. You don't need lyrics here. You just need to describe the atmosphere. I'm imagining a tech review video, or maybe a retro gaming montage. I want something nostalgic but energetic. So in the prompt box, I'm typing for an upbeat 80s synth pop song. Let's go with the best quality model again, and here we have a toggle for pure instrumental without vocals. Let's keep on and hit generate. See that? It's completely original. Because this is AI generated, you aren't using a stock loop that 5,000 other creators have used. It's unique to your prompt. And again, fully royalty-free with the Insmelo subscription. I want to quickly show you one more feature because it's honestly just really fun. Not only that, this is something that major AI tools like Suno AI are lacking, but can be incredibly useful for creators. Image to music. If you look at the sidebar, click that image icon. This is great for visual creators. If you have a photo of a scene that you have in mind to create music for, you can just upload that image. I'm just going to upload a very generic photo of a forest. I want a song with vocals this time to see if Insmelo will grab the idea from the image, so we will keep this toggle off and hit create. Here we go.
Moss on my shoes, cool dirt on my hands, breathing in the quiet like it understands. Fern shadows dance on this winding path, roots like old stories holding me fast. Sun through the canopy, painting my face in gold. Every small ray makes the world feel whole. Heart beating slow to the sway of the leaves above me. Sun through the canopy, I finally feel free.
That is perfect. Insmelo has analyzed the colors and the composition and generated a beautiful track that matches that feeling. It has even detected the rising sun creeping through the trees there, and that's great attention to detail. This is a great way to break through creative block if you don't know what to type. You just let the image do the talking. Now the last but not the least, the lyrics generator. This is a lifesaver for writer's block. Let me show you how fast it is. I click on lyrics generator, and it asks for the tone and style. I want something warm for a summer vibe, so I'm typing nostalgic and storytelling. For complexity, I'll go with medium. It asks for the song topic. I'm going to type walking in rain in a cyberpunk city. Then, we have a story and narrative, and this is a mandatory field. The topic was optional, but this is where we tell the AI the story we want to tell. I'll give it a little more detail. I hit generate, and look at that. In seconds, it writes a full song structure, verses, chorus, and even an outro, capturing that exact emotional vibe I asked for. Now you can take these lyrics, copy them, and jump right into the lyrics to song tool to turn them into actual audio. So why use Insmelo over other tools? In my opinion, it comes down to usability and rights. There are a lot of AI tools out there that are fascinating toys, but they are hard to use in a professional workflow. Insmelo is designed to be a utility. Whether you are generating a folk song for a personal project or a synth pop track for a commercial advertisement, you own the ability to use that media without getting flagged. If you want to try this out, whether you want to write the next hit song or just need safe background music for your channel, go check it out right now. Again, I've made it super easy for you. The link is the first line in the description box, and it's the top pinned comment. And hey, if you found this walkthrough helpful, I try out the best AI tools for music creators every week, so make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating.